I saw that I saw a lemon tree. I saw a lemon tree, and that lemon tree had lemons in it, but they were green only. And also, the way the lemon trees protect themselves, they have thorns on it. I saw they have thorns. And also, we saw that some ma'am told a funny thing. Okay, it rhymes. When sea flies, tree dies. Yeah. Because our parents give a lot of stuff for us, Hannah. Then the stuff what they have comes to us, right? So just like that, all the energy of the tree goes on the seed only, and the seeds, here like this is brick. This is brick. There's no soil here. There's soil there. So the seeds, some seeds have cotton to fly and go. I learned that the animals even though they don't have any pencil or so, they make beautiful houses. We saw one house in a plant. There's or peach pot with those brightly pink color flowers. In that there was a circle shaped house, and they were perfect, like perfect. Small three circles, smaller than this. They were small, but it was like real, like someone made it for the. Yeah. There was a tree, and in that tree you could open the plant up and seeds will fall out of it. Some seeds fell out of it, and we opened a lot. I opened one back then, and that's what I saw in the nature.